Before we had this view of Earth from space, how did we know that it was round? The ancient Greeks figured out that the Earth was round. Aristotle pointed out that during a lunar eclipse, Earth casts a curved shadow on the moon. Also, travelers going north or south saw stars in new positions in the sky. Stars familiar to stargazers in Egypt were below horizon in Cyprus. It's Earth's roundness that gives different places different views of the sky. In Alexandria, the mathematician Eratosthenes took this reasoning one step further. He calculated the circumference of the Earth. Eratosthenes heard that at high noon in Sienne during the summer solstice, vertical objects cast no shadows. Sunlight reached the bottom of even the deepest wells. Eratosthenes reasoned the rays of the sun must be perfectly vertical in Sienne. But farther to the north, in Alexandria, the sun's rays were at an angle at high noon. Poles and other vertical objects cast shadows. Comparing the height of the pole to the length of its shadow, Eratosthenes determined the angle of the sun's rays to be 7.2 degrees from the vertical. This angle represented the amount Earth curved between Sienne and Alexandria. This is 1/150th of a complete circle's 360 degrees, so the distance between Sienne and Alexandria was 1/50th of Earth's circumference. Now Eratosthenes could calculate not only the Earth's circumference, but also its radius and diameter. His results were surprisingly accurate, within 15% of modern figures. Maps were made to represent the world that Eratosthenes predicted. Not everyone agreed with these maps, though. Columbus used a map that represented a much smaller world, which is why he didn't hit land when he thought he would.